Customer due collection is a challenge for most of the organizations. CFO Magazine reported that 49% of the delay happens due to lack of systems and processes. Many organizations makes follow-up calls over phone, send messages through WhatsApp, and track the pending payments through Excel sheets. Most of the time it is all done in erratic manner. This makes customer frustrated, and the end result is delayed payment and dissatisfied customer. Let us see how JD Collect works. We have created a spreadsheet framework wherein you can bring your dues data quickly. As soon as you paste the data in our framework, automatically due bills are marked in a color. Send email page shows the list of dues based on your choice. Say if you want to send bills more than rupees 5,000, you can filter it out. For demonstration purpose, I have taken only few bills. I am using one email ID for testing. Let us see how to it sends mail. Now all the mails have been sent. Let us open the mail and read the content. Dear Sir, this is to let you know that your bill 586 for rupees 6,117 is due on 24th April 2021. The total days elapsed is 87 days. In case if you have paid it already, please ignore this automated system notification. Now let us see how the due list is viewed from mobile app. The telecaller or sales executive see their customers once they log in. The number on the right side indicate how many bills are pending. Click any customer. The outstanding bills are listed. Now the user can either call or send a message in WhatsApp. Here the user can add any comments. The usual replies are given in the drop-down. Example: phone not picking up. Phone is engaged. Payment already done. I am busy, call me after some time. Call me in the next week. Product issues. The performance monitoring dashboard helps to evaluate daily team performance. The system measures the performance by number of productive calls, calls planned versus actual, value targeted versus actual, etc. The dashboard is sent to the business owner every day and automatically. The visibility in operations helps the team stay much focused. Extensive analytics are also the part of JD Collect.